Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at the CORE DAO project and the way to stake the CORE token for crypto passive income. First, let's head over to CoinMarketCap. There's their token price. They're currently up, ranked 162. This project's not that old. They started off back in February, around $6. You can purchase this token at these exchanges. If we head over to this article, beincrypto.com, it was written a few months ago. CORE is a novel layer 1 blockchain inspired by Bitcoin and Ethereum. The CORE DAO contributors, the developers, have designed a unique consensus mechanism known as Satoshi Plus. If you're not familiar with a blockchain consensus mechanism, it's a method used to achieve agreement, trust, and security across a decentralized computing network. With this particular project, they have married Bitcoin's decentralization and security and Ethereum scalability. Bitcoin miners and CORE token holders can participate in network security by delegating their BTC hash power and staked CORE, we're going to get into that, to decentralized set of validators. CORE is also an Ethereum virtual machine compatible, allowing for easy implementation of smart contracts from Ethereum-based chains. So they have the compatibility of Ethereum and the decentralization and security of Bitcoin. So if we scroll down here, they are inspired by philosophy and innovation. If you look at the amount of Twitter followers and Discord members, they have a lot of people involved in this project. Currently almost 2 million followers on Twitter. And if you want, you could do a little bit more research. All right, so if we head over to their white paper, I want to point out something important. Miners responsible for securing the Bitcoin network via proof of work. So the existing miners that are securing Bitcoin, all that hash power, can factor into this Satoshi Plus consensus. So the miners, the current Bitcoin miners, can delegate their hash power to the CORE validator. And this delegation is non-destructive, meaning that by delegating on CORE, they're repurposing their existing work versus choosing between securing Bitcoin and securing CORE. So with these ASIC miners that are securing the Bitcoin network, they're running at 1,200 watts every second. Their energy, right? They're consuming lots of energy. Some of that energy is not being used, and that additional energy can be repurposed to help secure the CORE network. So if we go over here to another part of their white paper, so until CORE reaches the point of sufficient decentralization, they're not there yet, the CORE team will be in charge of overseeing the network through their control of the DAO. And going back to my earlier comment about this project being inspired by philosophy and innovation, CORE is not limited to any particular vision or ideology. Their diversity is strength. They're a melting pot of developers with a core goal: secure, scalable, and decentralized digital currency for the internet of freedom, transparency, and self-sovereignty. All are welcome. Sounds like this is an open project if anyone is interested in joining. So if we head over to their website, if you're a developer, you want to get a part of this project, you can apply for a grant. You can potentially get liquidity or airdrop incentives. So there's an option. You would need to click on that, fill out the web form. So if we head over to their Explorer, this is the CORE Explorer. Basically, you can look at blockchain data. You can look at their top accounts, so you can see who's holding the most CORE tokens. There it is. You can verify contracts. You can look at the validator leaderboard, do a little bit more research here because you're going to need to delegate your CORE tokens to one of these validators. All right, so how do we make passive income with the CORE DAO project? Well, let's get into that. First, they have a CORE bridge, so this is nice and neat. And this is interesting because once you bridge over from various chains, so instead of buying on an exchange, you could just, let's say you have Ethereum on the mainnet, you can transfer that over to the CORE DAO. It looks like they have several options here. And once you bridge over, their faucet, they have this CORE faucet that will send your wallet a small amount of CORE, which you'll receive in your wallet to cover gas fees. So how many times you want to transact in DeFi only to find out you need to transfer a little bit more crypto to cover those gas fees. So that's kind of nice. So if we head over to their staking section here, stake.coredao.org, you're going to need to research the validators, and you're going to need to use a validator that is in the top 21. So you could see this one's inactive. I guess it didn't meet the requirements. So you'll have to pay attention to this, in my opinion. From what I understand, if one of these validators drops out of the top 21, you can redelegate your core tokens to one of these other validators. But as you can see here, OKX, right? It looks like this is their earn program. And they have various other exchanges that looks like are running nodes or validators. So you can do a little bit more research on that. But once you have the validator you want to delegate to, it's fairly simple. You click on it. You'll have those core tokens in your Metamask. Those are the options, Metamask and the OKX wallet. And you would simply hit delegate. And you need to connect your wallet. And you could delegate. It looks like this one's paying around 30%. There is no on-bonding period from what I understand. There's no documentation I found on their website, but I looked on their Discord, and you can undelegate instantly. So if you need to get those back in your wallet quickly, you can. All right, so that's how you make crypto passive income with the Core project. The last thing I wanted to show you was this Satoshi app, a mysterious app, crypto world's first stop. I was kind of hesitant to download this, but I got it onto my phone. So it's available for the PC, Android, or Apple. And basically, it's an app you can send or receive Bitcoin or Ethereum. They do giveaways, airdrops. Airdrops are only for particular regions. So anybody in the US can't take advantage of this, and various other things. So you could download that and check that out if you like. All right, so that's the end of this video. Another one in the books. Hopefully you learned a little bit about the Core DAO project and the way to make crypto passive income. I'll continue to research and point out projects that I think are strong and that could potentially be around for a while to allow you to earn crypto passive income. I want to thank you for watching. If you could share the video, it'd be great. Like it. Really appreciate it. Until next time, take care. See you later.